Vibrant Performance has served the automotive high-performance market for over 15 years. Vibrant has always thrived on bringing innovative solutions to our customers' forced induction and exhaust component needs. When looking for the best catalytic converter for our customers, Vibrant partnered with the leader in emissions controls for the industrial and commercial markets, Global Emission Systems Incorporated. Through this partnership, Vibrant is proud to offer the first true high-performance catalytic converter solution for the automotive market. GESI Catalytics can offer reliable solutions for up to 1,700 horsepower, while still reducing harmful emissions by up to 98%. Currently, GESI Catalytic converters are EPA certified and capable of meeting the requirements of every jurisdiction in North America. There has always been the misconception that a catalytic converter will rob your vehicle of horsepower. Vibrant can now ensure that you successfully pass emissions-related tests without dramatically affecting your dyno results. In some cases, Vibrant has seen an improvement to wheel horsepower ratings when a GESI catalytic converter is installed.
I thought we were going to lose horsepower. We increased it from 368 to the rear wheels is 403.
Eric Latino, President and CEO of GESI Catalytic, will discuss the benefits of installing a high-output catalytic in comparison to the commonly used hollowed-out catalytic option.
Yeah, hi, my name is Eric Latino, born and raised in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and I'm the President and CEO and one of the founders of Global Emission Systems. We ran a performance shop since 1985, and we specialize in doing twin turbo kit cars on the C5 Corvette. So with a group of customers I had, we developed and engineered the world's best catalytic converter that would meet, exceed, maintain the horsepower level of 800 horsepower to the wheels, at the same time maintain and meet the emission requirements. Basically what it does is it converts the unburnt fuel, which is hydrocarbon. The catalytic converter is just like another engine, and all we're doing is the heat that's in there and the proprietary technology that the catalyst is coated with will light off and ignite that hydrocarbon and convert it into H2O, which is water. It gets the NOx emissions, which is nitrogen and oxygen molecules, and strips them and brings them back to the original state that they were in, which is back to nitrogen and oxygen. A lot of the traditional cats are either made of ceramic, and the ceramic material, and they have a wrap material that protects the ceramic. The ceramic substrate is just like having a ceramic coffee cup in your hand. If you dropped it, it would smash and break. If you had a metal can in your hand and you dropped it, it wouldn't do anything but dent it. So we've switched from ceramics, which have a meltdown temperature of 1,500 degrees, and we've gone to a metallic stainless steel substrate that can withstand up to 2,800 degrees of meltdown temperature. Once the substrate is wound with the bronze strips, we press it into the metal mantle tube. We call it a mantle. Next, what we do is we take that assembly and we put it into an oven at 2,000 degrees. And what it does is it turns that solid bronze strip and it liquefies it, and it fuses all the contact points so the unit can't telescope. Once it comes out of the oven and cools down, we take it over and we coat and we catalyze the catalyst. Once that's done, we take it and the end caps are welded on, and we use our double lock technology to secure the substrate from moving. Once that's done, we bring it over to the last phase of the assembly, and that is putting identification codes on the outside of the can. It's got the big Vibrant logo on it, indicates the Vibrant product. We put the GESI logo on there to identify that it's a GESI partnership. We put an EPA number that's etched on that cat, and that makes it an authentic EPA certified cat. And for the ultra high output, it's good for 800 horsepower per cat. So I want to emphasize that again. When I'm saying up to 500 horsepower, that's on a single exhaust system, so a 4-cylinder car. So if you've got 800 horsepower, you can run one per bank. If you got over 1,000, you run two of the ultra high output cats. We use the lab in the state of California, and they have an ISO standard which does an emission test for EPA verification. And once it passes that test and has to reduce the emissions by a minimum of 70%, Global Emission Systems has earned a EPA catalytic converter. So Vibrant Performance is our marketing partner. So we are a manufacturer of the technology. Vibrant's our partner to bring it to market. If you got to pass an emission test, I'll guarantee you're going to pass the emission test if you use the cats and you have that engine tune right. That's one thing. There's nothing worse than buying a cheap cat, putting it on the car, and it fails the emission test. Now you got to go back to the shop, have it chopped out, ruin your real nice exhaust system, and try to patch in one of our cats.
So for your next exhaust build, be sure to get a true high-performance GESI catalytic converter. You can get them wherever Vibrant professional fabrication components are sold.